Hey there, today I'm sharing the secret to lifelong health. It's all about real food nutrition. Let's dive in. First off, what is real food? Simply put, it's food that's as close to its natural state as possible. Think fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, wholesome grains, and lean proteins. No processed junk or artificial additives. Why is this important? Well, real food is packed with essential nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, you name it. These nutrients fuel our bodies, boost our immune systems, and keep our minds sharp. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-dense breakfast, maybe a smoothie loaded with spinach, berries, and a scoop of protein. You're giving your body the best start possible. It's like filling your car with premium fuel, and it doesn't stop there. Lunch and dinner can be just as nutritious. Picture a colorful salad with grilled chicken, nuts, and a sprinkle of olive oil, or a hearty bowl of quinoa with roasted veggies. Delicious and nutritious. Eating real food isn't just about physical health, it's a holistic approach. It enhances your mental well-being too. When you eat well, you feel well. Your energy levels soar, your mood improves, and you're more focused. Now, you might be wondering, how do I make this a habit? Start small. Swap out one processed snack for a piece of fruit. Gradually increase your intake of whole foods. And don't forget to stay hydrated with plenty of water. Meal prepping can also be a game changer. Spend a little time planning and preparing your meals for the week. This way, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every healthy choice you make adds up. Celebrate your small victories and keep moving forward. So there you have it. The secret to lifelong health is real food nutrition. It's simple, effective, and totally achievable. Start today, and your body will reward you with a lifetime of health and happiness. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow health enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.